Good morning, students. In continuation of the asexual reproduction, the next one is the fragmentation. Okay, what is fragmentation? In this type of the reproduction, the body of an individual breaks up into two or more parts of the fragments. Okay, breaking up of the body of simple multicellular organism into fragments or pieces, such that each piece grows to form a new organism is called as the fragmentation. So where we can see the fragmentation, spirogyra, algae like a spirogyra. Okay, here I am giving the picture spirogyra. Okay, so the spirogyra, what happened? The parent cells that divides into fragments. Okay, three fragments: fragment 1, fragment 2, fragment 3. Okay, each and every fragment that growing from the fragment, that new individual growing from the fragment. Okay, so each and every fragment that develops into the new individual. Okay, so you can think that fragment is same like a fission. No, fragment is totally differ from the fission. In fission, the unicellular organism split to form two or more offspring. However, in fragmentation, a simple multicellular organism breaks to form a two or more fragments. Okay, which mature and grow the full organism. Okay, so totally fragmentation is differ from the fission. Okay, so the next one is the regeneration. What is the regeneration? Some animals like a hydra, flatworms, and then sponges, when cut into pieces, each piece is capable of growing into entire individual. That is known as the fragmentation. In hydra, we can see that. So some of the ability of an organism to replace its last body part by growth, that is also the regeneration. Okay, so this regeneration is carried by the specialized cells. Okay, which have the ability to proliferate or multiply and make a large number of the cells. Okay, the cell mass to develop the last part. Okay, so you can see that is regeneration in the planaria, that new individuals. So what happens if the planaria is cut into three pieces? The planaria is cut into three pieces. The three pieces or two pieces that developed into the new individual. How it is possible? Normally in the cutted part, the last part in the shape, the cells change the shape or become specialized to form the different types of tissues in the last organs. Okay, the changes that takes place in the organized manner. It is considered in the organized manner. Regeneration can be used to produce the only those organisms which have simple body design. Okay, however, the multicellular organism have the complex body design, having the many types of the cells, so we cannot some of the things cannot reproduce by the regeneration. It is happens only in the planaria and some of the flatworms. Okay, so how it is formed? Cell mass. Okay, once if the part is cutted and that place the cell mass is developed. So based upon the cell mass, the new organism is developed. Okay, this is the regeneration. Okay, thank you, students.